This is Rogue Wing, Coraline, or Helen RD over at Starship Modeler. Welcome to the workshop. Good evening. Time for the next update on the Mutara build. This one's actually moving along a lot faster in the build phase than I really kind of expected it to. Which, given the fact I've only got till the 30th to get this done, isn't necessarily a bad thing. Now, as to where we're sitting right now. Gone in with more Aves epoxy sculpt and filled in the seams here and here on the nacelle struts. I had to go in and repair down here and up here because I dropped the nacelle assembly last night. Fortunately, no real major damage was done. Now for tonight's major piece of work. I have built, as you can see, I've built in the slope sections on what would have been the main impulse engines. This is pure Aves epoxy sculpt. You can see the line where the impulse engines used to be. The straight edges I trimmed off by wetting down my razor saw and just running it down the sides. I did the same treatment to get this center trench done, and then I went in with this file after wetting it down to kind of smooth up the Aves back here. At this point, the only construction left to do really is to go ahead and mount the warp nacelles to the main hull, which I'm probably going to go ahead and do here, but I'll do it off screen. Then you guys will get a look at how she'll really look when she's done. Well, at least a preview anyway. And we're back for tonight's final chapter. After this, I've definitely got to let this thing sit for a bit. But now you can really get an idea of how the design's going to shape up. Ah! I knew I hadn't let that sit long enough. Alright. While I let my glue cure up a little longer, I'll go ahead and stop this. You've got an idea how she's going to look. I probably will wind up having to go in with CA glue on that joint, but we'll see if I can get it to set. Stay tuned. Alright, now we've got her sitting somewhere fairly stable. I freely admit it's my bed. But now you can get an idea how she's going to look, or how she does look rather, as an integrated whole. All in all, I really like how the new lines work.